comes with a benefit of a quick dry function. Probably is one of the best material right now. Hey, Andy here. We are the floor mat master distributor for matting in Malaysia. Alright, apart from the price and the type of floor mat, one of the major factors you should be aware is the material of the floor mat. And at the end of this video, you will know why the floor mat you have now don't last or still working fine after years. The performance of a floor mat is a result of what material the floor mat are made of. Now, we're going to run through the common floor mat materials characteristics, and I can assure you, you would able to select the right type of floor mat for your needs based on the material it contains. We're going to split this into two areas: common surface material and backing materials. Nylon. Nylon is a synthetic material. It's like a cream of the crop entrance mat materials, usually with a higher price point to reflect this, and is a common material for heavy-duty entrance matting like shopping mall or hotel entrances, showroom, where high-end and high-traffic footfall are normal. It has that luxurious feel that brushes and scrapes and offers some of the best resiliency of all carpet materials through good crush-resistant properties. This material is like a tank. The color usually solution dyed, therefore more stain and fade resistant, making it easier to maintain that as new condition, and comes with a benefit of a quick dry function. Probably is one of the best material right now. Common product using this material are logo mat and classic solution, washable up to 240 times and usually comes with 2 years warranty. Polypropylene or PP, derived from a thermoplastic polymer, are very popular as the fibers give an effective scraping action due to their abrasive texture. It is a good performer when it comes to scraping dry dust. Floor mat that manufactured from a PP fibers is generally durable and frequently used in a longer length as dirt barrier runners in reception areas for maximum floor protection. It is also normally a lower cost alternative for nylon entrance mat, and because of the durability and versatility, it makes it very popular for light traffic entrances. You may see this style of material on needle rip mat and needle punch mat. It is not washable, and from us, usually comes with a 6-month warranty. From other providers, I heard warranty until the product is spoiled. That's it.
What the hell you say?
Natural rubber and nitrile rubber floor mats. Rubber, especially nitrile rubber, is suitable for heavy-duty outdoor entrance areas. Unlike PVC, rubber floor mat is not so easy to crack. When it comes to rubber floor mats, there are many choices in design. Some feature open holes, while others have a textured solid surface. Open hole rubber floor mats are effective dirt scraper and allow the debris to fall through the mat. Rubber floor mats have good non-slip characteristics, and they are generally quite heavy and therefore stay in place well on the ground. The rubber can be natural rubber coming from the rubber tree or synthetic as nitrile rubber, also called NBR. The nitrile is what gives floor mat greater resistance to heat and a longer lifespan in oily or greasy conditions. The more nitrile, the better the performance, because nitrile has the ability to withstand a range of temperature ranging from -40 degrees Celsius all the way up to 108 degrees Celsius. Example of natural rubber floor mat would be Safer Light mat, which is the economical one, and Comfort Flow or Safety Scrape, which are made from nitrile rubber with greater resistance on chemical, oil, or greasy conditions. Backing materials. Nitrile backing is very popular, especially in the rental or service market, because it can withstand hundreds of washes. It also has a higher oils and chemicals tolerance with better heat resistance than natural rubber. With that, nitrile back matting should have a longer lifespan, and backing tends to stay in place better on a smooth floor or carpets. Floor mat that use this kind of backing the most are logo mat and classic solution. Some call it laundry mat. PVC, or sometimes they call it vinyl, is the lower cost option, but care has to be taken where the floor mat is situated. It is not suitable for very hot to cold environments, meaning harsh climate fluctuate from hot to cold and to cold to hot can eventually make the PVC harden and easy to crack. You can see this style of backing usually on needle rip mat or needle punch mat, or sometimes the replica classic solution look-alike mat. Looks the same, but the moment you wash and use it for 6 months, rubber starts to harden, ripple, or crack. Alright, that's been it. Those are the common materials for floor mat. With that, I hope it helped you to decide which material is suitable for entrance or other area of your facility. I'll put the link down if you're ready to get one. Give us a follow if you're on Instagram or Facebook, and hit the like button if you find it useful, and consider subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay clean and take care.